Hi everyone, let's take up a question from JEE Main 2026. Diagram shows three arrangements of dielectric in a capacitor. Arrange the capacitors in increasing order of capacitance between A and B if K1 is greater than K2. Let us take up this slab of dielectric constant K1. The potential difference across the left half of this slab is equal to potential difference across right half of the slab. So therefore we can divide this slab into two parts, two equal parts. Similarly, this slab can also be divided into two equal parts. Now let us find out capacitance of each small box of the capacitor. This is equal to epsilon naught A upon D. And this capacitance of each small box of the capacitor is before dielectric constant. So therefore capacitance of each small box will be equal to its dielectric constant multiplied by C. Now we can see that these two capacitors are connected in series and these two are also connected in series and their resultants will be connected in parallel. Similarly, these two capacitors are connected in series and these two capacitors are also connected in series and their resultants will be connected in parallel. Similarly, in this case also, these two capacitors are connected in series. These two are also connected in series and their resultants will be connected in parallel. Now let us find out capacitance of A. This will be equal to K1 into K1 upon K1 plus K1 plus K1 K2 upon K1 plus K2 multiplied by C. This is equal to K1 upon 2 plus K1 K2 upon K1 plus K2 multiplied by C. Similarly, capacitance of B will be equal to K2 upon 2 plus K1 K2 upon K1 plus K2 multiplied by C, and capacitance of C will be equal to K1 K2 upon K1 plus K2 plus K1 K2 upon K1 plus K2 multiplied by C. Now we can see the second term in all three is equal. There is a difference only in the first term. Since we are given K1 is greater than K2, so we can write K1 upon 2 is greater than K1 K2 upon K1 plus K2, and K2 upon 2 is less than K1 K2 upon K1 plus K2. So therefore capacitance of A is the largest one, and then capacitance of C, and capacitance of B is lowest one. This can be written in the increasing order as capacitance of B is less than capacitance of C, and this is less than capacitance of A. Therefore option 3 is correct. Alright, thank you very much.